PicsArt app. Now tap on this plus icon. Now tap on these backgrounds and you have to select the white color. The first step, go to tools, tap on crop, select the portrait shape. Now tap on tick. Next step, go to add photo and select the shade PNG. This is the PNG. Simply zoom out, tap on opacity and keep it around 60. Okay, zoom out, perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select the model. Friends, this is the model image today I am going to use. By using this cutout tool, you have to erase the background. Okay, after erasing the background, it will look like this. Okay, now we have to arrange this model in the center perfectly here. Now tap on eraser, tap on erase, keep the size like this. Now erase on the border portions like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Now we have to arrange it perfectly in the center like this. It is perfect. Now go to adjust, decrease the saturation little bit, increase the clarity little bit, decrease the contrast and give little saturation and give little temperature. Now tap on tick. Now decrease the opacity to 95. It is perfect and bring it little left. Perfect. Now go to add photo and select the sitting pose model image. Friends, this is the model image I am going to use, but by using the cutout tool I already erased the background. It is how it look like after erasing the background. Now arrange your model, this portion here. Perfect. Arranging this portion. Now bring the main model to the little left. Arrange perfectly. Now tap on shadow, tap on position, make it 100, make it 100 as usual. Tap on adjust, make it 100 and decrease it to around 30. Now go to adjust, increase little brightness and saturation also little bit, and little more shadow, clarity little bit. Now tap on tick. Now go to add photo and select the shadow PNG. This is the shadow PNG. Now I am going to arrange below the shoes perfectly like this. Tap on layers, tap on duplicate and arrange in this portion also. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select the light PNG and birds PNG. Okay, this is the light PNG. Now go to blend, make it screen and arrange in this portion here. Now take this birds PNG and you have to arrange it. Arrange it in this portion here. Okay, perfect. Or you can arrange here. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select the PNG. This is the final PNG. Have to arrange in this portion. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Perfect. Now go to draw, tap on draw, go to shapes, select the line, make it 1px, tap on OK and draw one line like this. Go to layers, decrease the opacity to 30, tap on 3 dots, tap on transform and bring this line to here. Tap on tick, tap on tick. Perfect. Friends, finally our DuaL special concept photo editing tutorial is completed. This is the before, this is the final output. Now tap on save. See you in next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.